Hey everyone, just want to share a little message with you on the math manipulative lists and some options. You are simply going to be accessing this by going to the BPS math site. Here's one way to access that is through the tiny URL listed. You'll go to BPS curriculum and then you will click on this first link under the BPS curriculum tab. Okay? So this is what it will look like when you get here. It is an embedded spreadsheet. You can click here to actually maximize that and just take it outside into Sheets instead of embedded if you so choose. You'll see a grade level tab for each particular grade level, and the basic idea of each of these is simply I have a hands-on, virtual, and other options. So I know many of you are making the math toolkits for your students either remotely or perhaps at school. Not a requirement, but it seems as though I'm getting lots of questions on that, so I thought I'd get some information out to you. So these perhaps are the things in the hands-on list that you could provide to students. The ones with an asterisk are just things that I considered, nice to have, but you don't use them as frequently. Okay, and then you'll see some virtual options as well and some other options. So if we're not living in an ideal situation right now, so I just wanted to make sure that those options were there as well. The collection of virtual manipulatives, that is simply more manipulatives, things you might want to have virtually. Okay. All right, so just a quick note on thinking about sanitizing manipulatives if they're shared. You can sanitize most manipulatives. However, things like decks of cards, because they're paper-based, if kids are sharing those, what you can do is just like shared library books, you can put those into a tub, put a date on those, and then simply leave them untouched for 72 hours prior to using again. All right. As you were trying to access some of these manipulatives for individual students, I would suggest you check your physical classroom and or that closet at your school. And if you're teaching remotely, maybe check back with your home school on that. Check with some colleagues. Oftentimes we have extra things that are in our own school, so check there first. And then feel free to email me if I can support you and try to round up some things. All right? I hope this list is just helpful along with the resources that are listed there. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.